What's up guys, this is Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today, I'm going to show you how to install coilovers on your E46 BMW. This video also may help you replace struts or worn out springs. Alright guys, so the tools that you'll need is going to be a 17mm, a 13mm, an extension, an 18mm, a ratchet, and you will need a 1/4 inch. So I'll show you why you'll need a 1/4 inch later. I'm using this adapter, that way I don't have to pull out a 1/4 inch ratchet. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure you have all the parts and all the correct parts. First of all, we're going to start by putting the jack under the axle carrier. That way when we loosen the suspension, it doesn't shoot out or fall. So after we jack the axle carrier up, we're going to go ahead and remove this sensor from the bottom of the lower control arm with the 13mm. That way we don't break this sensor right here. This is a ride height sensor and we do not want to break that, so we'll remove that first. We're on the front of the car. We're going to take a 17. Now we're going to take that 18 down here, and this is going to break the strut free. We're going to take this 1/4 inch tip, and there we're going to set it in between here, and then we're going to crank it halfway. And what that's going to do is open the fork and we could pull the strut out. So we're gonna crank it halfway just like that, and then we'll be able to pull this strut out. Gonna go up top where the 13's at right here. Okay, now that we have everything pretty much broken free, we'll release the jack slowly. And as you can see, the strut's out now. We're gonna take our 3 nuts. At this point, we'll put our bolt back in. That way we can hold the coilover in place. Tighten down your ride height sensor. The very last step is going to be reattaching your sway bar. End link right there. That's how you install struts or coilovers on your E46 BMW. Make sure to always torque things back to the factory recommended torque specs. Also, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.